Alright guys, in today's video, we have here something super exciting to share with you, and that actually comes in the form of this HONOR Magic7 RSR Porsche design. Now, say for example, you've watched a couple of my videos on the Magic7 Pro, you're convinced that Magic OS 9.0 is the one for you, and it's a fantastic flagship, by the way, for 2025, but you want something a little bit more exclusive, something a bit more special, and maybe say for example, you're a fan of sports cars, particularly the brand Porsche, well, this is where you might want to check out the Magic7 RSR. Because it's a fantastically looking device. Is that even a word? I keep wondering about that. And it actually comes in something a bit more special. Now, let me tell you what's really different between this and the standard Magic7 Pro. Now, first up, obviously the price is going to be different. Now, this is retailing in Malaysia for RM6999, and that actually nets you 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Now, if you look at the standard, or maybe I would say plain vanilla Magic7 Pro. Now this guy at its maximum specs, you can get it for RM5199, and that nets you 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. So you are getting more RAM on the Magic7 RSR compared to the Magic7 Pro, and of course it's a bit more expensive. And there's two more differences that I actually spotted in the specs overview. So number one, in terms of the telephoto lens, now they're both 200 megapixel 3x telephoto lenses. And like I said, this is one of the best implementation that combines both hardware and AI to give you one of probably the best zooming experience that you can get on any smartphone to date. But the 200 megapixel sensor on here is a larger aperture unit. That means that it's able to bring in more light and ultimately, give you a slightly better zoom image compared to the standard Magic7 Pro. Now, another difference that I found here is actually in terms of the display at the front. Now, obviously, these are both very strong displays from HONOR, but the Magic7 RSR adds on an element of anti-scratch. So it's supposed to be not just more drop resistant, but also more anti-scratch. So those are the two differences on top of the additional RAM that I told you about. And of course, this device actually comes in a better, nicer packaging, which I will show you on the desk right now. Alright guys, so now that we are at the desk, let's take a closer look at the packaging for the HONOR Magic7 RSR. Now this is the one that comes in agate gray. That means the box itself will follow the color of the device. And this here is the one that comes in the Provence colorway. Now I'm going to show you the unboxing of the agate gray because I've already opened up my own Provence colorway Magic7 RSR. So we're going to put this right up here for now and focus on this guy. Now naturally we have here a very beautiful looking box, and it's actually sort of a sleeve where you pull over to actually reveal the actual box. Now check this out, we have a very beautiful design here. So they're both seals on the side, and once you actually cut that away, you actually open up to reveal a sentence inside. Now it says here, if you analyze the function of an object, its form often becomes obvious. Not really sure what that means, but it's said by Professor Porsche, design of the 911 and founder of Porsche Design. So you open this a little bit more and there you go. So this is the agate gray version. Let's get that off. Alright, so having the phone out of the way, let's remove this to see what else we get on the inside. Naturally, you actually have two chargers, and that's for your travel. So one is actually in this UK pin, and then we have this 2-pin charger over here. And they're both 100 watts, HONOR supercharged with the Type-C in there. Other than that, you also get a gray matching case here. So this is actually, again, very interesting. Let's just try and put it on so you can actually imagine how it looks like. And there we go. Looks very nice. I think it's made of vegan leather as well. Now just putting this side by side with my standard, HONOR Magic7 Pro. This is how the Magic7 Pro's case look like. It's great for a normal phone's case, but this is actually the differences. And you see that in terms of the camera module at the back, it's also of a different shape. Alright, so putting this down, let's see what else we get in the box. We also have a Porsche design SIM pin. It's like a little lollipop. Over onto the inside, this is where you'll find that we have two Type-C cables, obviously one for each international charger. So that's basically what you get in the box. Alright, so once again, let's take a very close look at the devices side by side, the standard Magic7 Pro compared to the Magic7 RSR. Again, like I said, the camera module is a little bit different in terms of its size. You also have a very nice line that goes down the middle. It's actually very similar in terms of the design compared to its predecessor. And side by side, you notice that they're almost the exact same dimensions. The weight is actually the same, guys. And just in terms of the casings, this is the one that I showed you earlier on, the one in agate gray, and this is the one with the Provence look. Which color color do you actually prefer? Do you prefer this sort of like purplish colorway, or do you actually prefer the gray? Now I'm going to put this side by side so you can have a closer look just in case you plan to buy one. Alright, so that's basically what you can expect for paying the additional money to get the HONOR Magic7 RSR. Personally, if you ask me whether you should do it or not, but again, it depends on you. If you have the budget, you want something a bit more exclusive, something that looks a bit more unique, a bit different, and maybe like again, you are a fan of Porsche and you like the color Provence or agate gray, well, definitely go ahead and pick one up. But yeah, that's been it for today's video. Once again, thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.